Hey folks, I don't know if you noticed, but if you try to go through the problems with your students, your problems will be in a different order than theirs are. I tried to look around and figure out a way to fix it, but fortunately, we can all benefit from the brilliance of my friend Kristen Scaff. She came up with a genius idea, and I would like to share with you her technique. What you do is you go into your set of practice problems under modules, and then you go ahead and you click edit. And then you go to questions, and then you'll notice that they have this block here that says questions will be pulled from the bank, and then it lists the bank. The problem is that for some reason, when the system uses this technique, it will always pull the questions from this bank in different orders, even when you're demonstrating with your kids. So what we'll do is we're going to put the questions in the list here in whatever order we want. So we're going to go and do find questions. And in this case, I'm working on 2.2 practice problems. So I'm going to find the bank of 2.2 questions, and then we'll do select all. And there's not that many. I think all of the questions in the bank are all the questions that you have in the problem set. And then we go all the way down to the bottom of this set, and we hit add questions. Now you can see all the same questions that were in this bank, but they're all in a particular order, and you can change the order around to your choosing. But now that you've put them in this order, when the kids work on them and when you later go to review them, you will have the questions in the same order as your students. There is one little trick though. You do have to get rid of this bank of practice problems. So I'm going to go ahead and hit delete right now. Now, worst case scenario, you can always bring that bank back, but if you feel like you are unhappy with the order of your questions versus your students' questions, then this is one way to fix the problem. Okay, so now that I've got all the questions in there in the order that I like, and I got rid of the bank, then I can go ahead and let me go ahead and move me over here. And then I can go ahead and just hit save. And now when the kids go through the questions and I go through the question, they should be in the same order. Obviously, there's a concern that if kids are going through the questions in the same order, they can help one another. I'll leave that up to you and whether or not that's an issue to you. But for me, I'd rather have the ability to go through and be able to help the kids after they've had a chance to look at the questions. So hope this helps you.